To get started with any culture or passage procedure, first thing you're always going to do is open the flow hood, set up your bench, organize everything you need for today. Ensure that anytime you go to clean items off to bring into the flow hood, that everything is disinfected and thoroughly wiped with a paper towel drenched in alcohol. If anything falls onto the floor, use a paper towel to get any dirt or potential contaminants off of it before placing it into the flow hood. And anytime you set up the bench, be sure that you have everything organized beforehand and keep the area clean at all times, wiping up any spills immediately after they happen. Once your bench is prepared, we need to go ahead and grab the cells from the incubator. Anytime you enter the incubator, always clean your hands and have in mind that you have one clean and one dirty hand, then transfer the cells over to the light microscope and ensure that they are confluent before passaging. After ensuring confluency, wipe off the flask with a doused paper towel and place the flash inside the flow hood. Now, the first step of passaging cells will be detaching the cells from the flask. If using the small flask, use 1 milliliter of trypsin, or if using a large flask, use 3 milliliters of trypsin. Before adding the trypsin, remove all old medium and wash with DPBS. Then place this flask in the incubator for 3 to 5 minutes. After incubation, grab a 15 milliliter vial to transfer your cells into. Open the flask and add 3 milliliters of medium if using a small flask, or 9 milliliters of medium if using a large flask, and wash at least 3 times to collect all cells from the flask, tapping the sides to help detachment if needed. Take this trypsin and medium solution that has your cells in it and transfer all of it into the 15 milliliter vial. Close the vial and take it to the centrifuge and centrifuge for 5 minutes at 2000 RPM. After centrifuging, remove the excess medium and ensure that you do not disturb the pallet of cells at the bottom of the vial. Then take 1 milliliter of complete medium and add to the pellet and then aspirate until the pallet is fully dispersed throughout. From here, you will take 10 microliters for cell counting. After diluting yourself to the proper concentration needed or ensuring viability, take 50 to 100 microliters of the cells in a 15 milliliter vial and place back into a large flask. Once placed, fill the large flask with 15 milliliters of complete medium. The remaining amount in the 15 milliliter vial can be discarded in the biohazard bin. After completing all passaging procedures, always clean and disinfect everything on your bench, leaving the area cleaner than you received it. Properly discard of all biohazards in the correct bin and wash your beaker in the chemical lab. If you need it, label on our tracker the date that you passage, the cells, and the type of medium that you used. Lastly, close the hood and turn on the UV light.